SMK helmets.
Let's quickly walk through replacing key parts on your SMK Agnar helmet. Visor and mechanism replacement. Fully open the visor with your hand. Push the visor opening lever and gently pull out visor from its mechanism and it release from one side. Repeat the same for the other side. You can also change the visor mechanism. Use a screwdriver to unclip the visor mechanism. Now, gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space. To put it back, insert the locking leg first in the slot provided and place the new visor mechanism in its space. Then screw it. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Check that your visor moves smoothly. Top air vents replacement. Take a screwdriver, align it with the upper edge of the top air vent. Cover screwdriver metallic end with soft cloth and take out the upper vent. To reinstall vents back, put the vent back into its channel. Press down and ensure it fits properly in its channel. Breath deflector replacement. To remove the breath deflector, pull out breath deflector as shown. Gently pull on one side and then repeat the process on the other side. To put it back, align the holes on the breath deflector on the chin bar slot and push it in place. Adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Stop wind replacement. Stop wind can be found near the chin bar. To replace it, first retract the lower bitting. Then pull out stop wind from its slots one by one. You can see the parts where each component fits into. Now insert it back and gently align the legs of the stop wind back into the slants and put it in place. Sun visor replacement. Replacing a sun visor or inner visor is tricky. First open the visor. Push the sun visor button to open. Gently push the sun visor from one end and pull it out from its assembly. Repeat the same for other side. To put it back, place the visor back to its original position. Check with sun visor's button whether it's going inward or outward properly. Cheek pads replacement. On your unstrapped helmet, open and detach the outer end of cheek pad with bare hands. Pull out the plastic sheet. Pull out the cheek pad completely. Put the cheek pad back into its space, insert the plastic sheet. Position the cheek pad and press firmly to snap it into the helmet. Liner replacement. There are 4 locks in the front liner in which its inserts fit in. Remove them one by one. Now remove the back of the liner by detaching 2 snaps. The entire liner gets removed now. You can clean or wash it and insert it back into its original position. Attach its 2 snaps. Make sure that the front liner inserts fit into their locks. Once done, check that every part is seated firmly and operates smoothly. Thank you for watching the video.
SMK helmets.